before we came to India, I was so, I was so worried. My goodness, this is the first place. It's not New Zealand, it's not Australia, but it's India. But as Ranveer called out my name in India, I thought I was still in the airport. Okay, first of all, as Ma has mentioned, that we need to acknowledge God for this everything, for everything that has been done to us. I know that Manaini has been suffering from sickness for a long time. We've went to the hospital, in and out of the hospital in Fiji, in Suva, but still she has that problem. And from then, we move on to the FTA. We ask them once, and the second time we asked, and it was approved. Secondly, I would like to thank the FTA. FTA Welfare, thank you, Naomi, for the hard job that you've been doing. All the things that was arranged, it was done by you. Thank you very much. And also my Tabalengu, Master Paula, GS, thank you so much. I know he contributed a lot to this trip, and I would like to thank you, Tabalengu, for accepting this, my second letter to you about Manaini's trip to India. Thirdly, I would like to thank the Medivisor group. From Mr. Sushan, the leader of the Medivisor group, thank you so much for the arrangement that you've done from the airport. I was so surprised that somebody in India called me out in a far distance. Aku sita. I told Manaini, who on earth knows me in this airport? Well, as I look back, I saw somebody. I thought it's a mafia, but it was Ranveer. I would like to thank Ranveer for his friendliness and for his, welcoming gesture in the airport, which was very overwhelming. Before we came to India, I was so worried. My goodness, this is the first place. It's not New Zealand, it's not Australia, but it's India. But as Ranveer called out my name in India, I thought I was still in the airport. I felt something, all the tension that we are carrying, everything that we are carrying has just gone because somebody in the airport had called me. So I would like to thank the team. It was well organized. Thank you, Mr. Ranveer. From the airport to the hotel, Arnav was there, who escorted us from the airport to our rooms, and from the hotel room to the hospital. It was awesome. And I would like to thank all the team for what they've scheduled for their program for taking care of the patient, especially to us. And I know it has been happening to all the patients here. All your job, excellent, excellent. If you are going to be seated in the test, I'll give you A+, excellent. It was good. So thank you very much once again, Mr. Shushan, Mr. Deepak, who else? Samir, Angita, and your beautiful friend Priyanka, and all those in the group of Medivisor. Also, I'd like to thank these people here, the hardworking people in the hotel. I know we've been fussing because we are not used to the spices in the hotel. But as time goes on, the second week, the third week, we are still struggling with how to eat the food that they are serving. But we are glad that they have helped us, assist us. If we want to change the diet, not too spicy or not too sweet or whatever, they are so flexible in the way they are serving us. So I would like to thank them too, the Bluestone management, thank you all and the staff and also those who are cleaning our rooms. A big vinakawagalevu, as we say it in Fiji. So thank you for everything. Last but not the least, doctor, who has done a marvelous job. When I went into that room, I was so nervous. He's welcoming, just as he looked at Manaini's result from Fiji. He just said, he went like this, it's nothing, don't worry. So I am very confident and what shall I say? Grateful of what he has done in Manaini's life. A very gifted doctor, Dr. Baiva Mishra. Please convey our big vinakapakalem to him. I know that I've been telling him this in the hospital, but I want you guys to go back and tell him we are so grateful of what he has done to Manaini's life. The last, before I forget, I would like to thank all my relatives all throughout the world, those who are praying earnestly for Manaini's life. Not forgetting his little son who is praying. Yesterday we watched the video. He is still praying for her mom, his mom. So, and of that, I would like to thank everybody, the Medivisor family, the Namotambo family, all those who are praying earnestly for Manaini's life. Before I conclude, Miss Madam, I would like to thank also the Fiji program that was done here in the hotel. I know that I've been pressing the Medivisor. I want you to bring Fiji here. I want you to bring Fiji here. We have to do something about this program. But I thank you all for making it happen, and with the program that done, I know everybody, not only us who are in good health, especially those who are sick, like Manaini. She was enjoying it. I know that almost every time she used to be in her room, quiet and lonely, but she was full laughing down here. And the others, the other sick people there, I know that you're going to carry on with that. This is not also, this is to bring our Fiji to India. Most of the things that we are facing here, we have challenges, difficulties with our patient, with the patient that are here. But doing that, it releases their tension. They are worrying about their sickness in their head, putting everything in there. When you do such a program like that, it just is their sickness. So thank you once again, Medivisor, for that wonderful program.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank God for His providence in my life. I'd like to thank Him for healing me, and for this trip. I know without Him, I wouldn't be able to have made it this far. I'd like to also thank FDA, my sponsor, the team welfare, GS, Naomi and your team. Thank you so much for making this trip possible for us. I would like to also thank the Medivisor team, Mr. Shushan and your group. Thank you so much for the hospitality. Your service was awesome. From the beginning, from when you picked us up from the airport, the pick and drops from the hotel to the hospital. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for us. We're so grateful for your service. I'd also like to thank Dr. Vaibhav, my cardiac surgeon. Thank you for everything that you've done. Thank you for taking care of me and for your gifted hands. I would also like to thank those who are back at home. If you're watching this, thank you for praying for us. Thank you for well-wishing us and all those words of encouragement that you've posted on Facebook, or that you may have called us, or all those that have prayed for us. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you.